Okay, on this lesson I'm going to teach you how to insert a header and a footer. Now, first of all, when you look on your insert tab, you're breezing through this and you cannot find your header or footer or other commands. Make sure that if you look up here and you do not find it, look under the text tab and click on the drop down. You see header and footer, and you'll see text box, you'll see signature line. Sometimes people will wonder what happened to theirs, and all it is you expand. You see how more buttons pop up? You see now the header and the footer? We don't do this one on here, so I can show you how we use this, and it would become too small. So anyway, I could pull it back where it was and then drop down here and use header and footer. So what I would be doing here is what am I going to go ahead and put in the header? Let's put just my files. And once we have that set, you can see up here the little button changes to go to the footer and say finished work. And now that we've got that, we can go ahead and yes, you can go back to the header if you messed up and you didn't do something right. And so now, once that I've put that in there, I can go to File, Print, and take a look at it, and you see it says My Files, Finished Work. So that's how you insert a header and a footer.